Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is an altcoin chart request video. You guys have requested some altcoins on Twitter and on Telegram, and I have selected a few and I'm going to make a video on 4 altcoins today. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. Guys, if you're liking my efforts, please, it will take just a few seconds, but like this video, subscribe to the channel and help me boost this channel. Thank you very much in advance. So the first coin we are looking at is MTV, that is multi-vac, and this is a one-day MTV chart. This is MTV USDT chart. The important price point for MTV, which it has flipped into support, is at 0.0095. So this was an important price point you can see over here, which MTV has flipped into support. This was previous resistance, it went down. This was a complete reversal. And currently MTV is getting resisted by two price zones at 0.025 and 0.019. And it's getting support by 0.015. So overall MTV is currently looking good to me, looking bullish to me. This can also be a likely cup and handle. In the immediate future, I see MTV at least going to 0.036. So that is almost 100% growth from the current price. Yeah, 110%. So this is looking good. If anybody who is interested to accumulate MTV, I think this is good time to accumulate. If we look at our bull support band, then that too is currently acting as support. So buying always at the support and selling at resistance is plain and simple one of the best strategies. So currently, if you want to enter, this in my opinion is a good phase to enter. And unless and until we are holding 0.009 as support, I expect MTVT to ultimately hit 0.036. So this is MTV USDT. If we look at MTV BTC chart, again a very similar thing, which was previous resistance over here at around 213 satoshis, 202 satoshis. MTV has flipped that into support. Currently, again, it's consolidating above our bull support band and forming a bullish structure. So I see MTV hitting at least 734 satoshis. So that's again almost 100% pump, almost 92% from the current price. So this is looking good. MTV BTC is also looking bullish, and this is a clear reversal. If you are someone who's interested, I think this is a good opportunity to accumulate some MTV. So this is MTV for you. The second chart that we are going to look today is Trias. Trias on the daily is currently getting resisted by an important pivot point, that is at $7.5 range. This range Trias needs to flip into support if it wants to continue its trend higher, and it's currently consolidating near this. So if we go on and see the bull support band, let us see. Yes, you can see this, it's getting currently resisted by, and it's trying to break. So again, this is a good accumulation zone in my opinion. If you are interested in buying Trias, then this is a good accumulation zone, because once we flip this $7.5 region into support, I see it going and hitting at least 24.7 to $25 region in this next leg up. So if you are somebody who likes this project and is planning to accumulate, this is a good time to accumulate. Either you accumulate now or you wait for the complete breakout, depending on your strategy. But if I was interested in this project, then I would start building my positions from now. I would buy some and then I would wait for a dip, or I would wait for a breakout and buy some more. So that is very important, because this, again, looking very similar to a cup and handle, this is a reversal. So this is a good looking chart and a good looking opportunity in my opinion if you are interested. Again guys, I'm doing this as per request done by you. So it's not necessary that I myself am interested in these projects or I myself have studied these projects. I'm purely doing it as a technical analyst. If you look at the Trias BTC chart, it's very similar to USDT. The purple line that you see is what I think is a pivot point that Trias needs to flip into support, which it is currently trying to. It's not yet 100% flipped into support, but it is consolidating and it is 100% confluencing with our bull support band or 21 EMA. So again, in the Bitcoin pair also, this is a good time to accumulate because once it flips into support, I can see it hitting at least 45001 Satoshi. So which is, let me see how, this is almost 170% in the Bitcoin pair. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you are looking to accumulate some over here. So Trias is also looking good and it's in a buy zone if you are interested in buying. Third chart we are looking at is Layer. Layer is again trying to flip a very important price point that is at 0.075 to $76 region. This is an important price point. Currently, Trias is getting resisted by a bull support band, which is at around 80 cents. And if you are looking to accumulate layer, then this is either you wait for the breakout. And if you like the project, then you can start building your positions here because once we flip this region into support, I see layer going and hitting at least 3.3 to $3.5 region, and its all-time high is at around $4. So it won't be unreasonable to expect it to retest 4. So it will be almost a 4x from here if you consider building your positions from here. So layer again looking good on the daily. It's trying to flip bullish, but if you're wanting to accumulate, good point to accumulate right now. If you look at the BTC chart, a very similar thing. It's getting resisted from a very important price point at 1757 Satoshis. Once we flipped it into support, I can see it ultimately going for a new all-time high at around 6,957 Satoshis. So on the Bitcoin pair also, this is an opportunity of at least 330% in my opinion. So I am pretty bullish on layer. I myself have accumulated a big bag of layer and I had also shared this on Twitter. So just as a disclaimer that I personally am holding a huge bag of layer. I like this project. So chart wise, this is in accumulation zone. It is not yet completely bullish. It's consolidating under resistance. And if we continue with this bull market, then yes, I see this going much higher. The last chart that we are going to look today is XPR or Proton. A very new chart, not much data, but it is an interesting project and I have my eyes on this project. So if we go and look at the chart, the important price point that is flipped currently into support, and this was the breakout, is at around 0.004. So unless and until we are holding it as support, I see Proton going much higher. According to my chart, this was the first target at around 0.011, which we are very close on hitting. We are currently at 0.007. Its bull support band is at 0.006. So this is again a good opportunity in my opinion. If you are liking this project, it's currently, always it is said guys, if you like the project, if you like something and if you think it is solid, then buy the red, sell the green, as simple as that. So currently if you would be buying XPR, it would be red, so you are buying a dip. It's a very similar chart to XPR BTC. This was an important price point which XPR got breakout from at around 990 Satoshis, and currently it's at 1658 Satoshis. I can see at least going to 2428 Satoshis and then of course going way higher. So as this project is new, it can go bananas, and there is not much to analyze on the chart, but overall this is a good opportunity to accumulate if you want planning to buy. can see over here, it can create this as support, which was previous resistance, or this can be a retest of the breakout. So a very similar looking chart, XPR Bitcoin and XPR USDT both. So if you like this project, then this is a good time to buy some. If it dips further, you can buy some more. So this is today's altcoin chart request video. I hope you guys like the video and appreciate my effort. Thank you very much for giving your time in watching this video. I hope you have subscribed to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.